Hi everyone, welcome to Recipecheckr, your cooking channel for restaurant style and real recipes. I'm Sundar. In today's menu, I have one of the very contemporary and innovative dessert. We know that we all love the payasam, which is a very popular South Indian dessert, and we all love the tender coconut. But somebody somewhere thought, how about mixing this together and bring out a dish? That's how we got Ilaneer Payasam or tender coconut dessert. So how to make Ilaneer Payasam is what I'm going to show you today. But what is very important about making Ilaneer Payasam? The critical process is how to maintain the tender coconut's mild flavor while making Payasam and retain it. That is what I'm going to show you today. Stay tuned. I've taken a full cream milk. Once the milk comes to boil, then I need to simmer it and I need to maintain that for about 20 to 25 minutes. I have to reduce that milk to about 60%. So if I have about half a liter of milk, I want to bring it down to about 350 ml. So which means I have to continuously stir it. I don't want any change in color. I have to maintain the same white color. So preferably if you have a non-stick pan, just use it, that works very well. This is now sitting in the flame, in a simmer flame for about 15 minutes now. I was constantly mixing it so that it's evenly reduced and there is no lumps, there is no skin formation, and the color is still white. So I'm just going to switch this off now, and this process is the only cooking process of this particular dish. Once it's done, I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and then I'm just cool it for about 20 minutes. Once it cools down, I'm going to add the other ingredients. Now the milk which I have boiled and reduced, I've transferred into this bowl and it's been sitting for about 30 minutes. Now it's come to a room temperature. Now this is where I'm going to start adding the other ingredients. First, I'm going to add the condensed milk. Just make sure you mix this. Now once it's ready, now I'm going to add the coconut extract. Now one more particular thing I would like to mention here, while I'm taking this coconut milk, usually we add the water and then take the extract. Now in this process I use one of those kitchen blenders, but I have added the tender coconut water into the coconut. I use a normal coconut, but I use the tender coconut water to adding into it so that I took an extract. So that I'm not adding any additional external plain water. Every moisture I use, I make sure it is either a dairy product or tender coconut. So that's where you retain the mild flavor of tender coconut as a final product. So I'm adding this. Then I'm going to add the tender coconut jelly, which I have removed it from the tender coconut once I get the water out, putting it in a home blender and made it a fine paste or a puree. I'm going to add that. Remember, we are not adding any artificial flavor of tender coconut. Whatever the ingredients we are adding, that is what going to give the flavor. While I'm just keep adding, I can start feel the flavor of the tender coconut. So mix it well, because the jelly takes a little time to combine with the mix. Then I'm adding the finely chopped tender coconut jelly. Before adding sugar, I'm going to check for sweetness. I can feel the sweetness because the condensed milk which I use it here has a little sweet. So I'm going to add the sugar. Probably I will add about half the cup and then check for sweetness and then add a little further. Usually when you chill the mixer, you will have the enhanced quantity of sweetness you could feel. I'm going to add few pinches of cardamom powder. I don't want any other particles except the tender coconut in the payasam or the dessert. Once this mix well, then the tender coconut base is ready. All I have to do is I'm going to add some cashew nuts. I'm going to take a small pan. I'm going to use some ghee. Just fry the cashew nuts into a mild golden brown color and putting it in, and then the tender coconut is. Now I have got the fried cashew nuts. I'm going to use a few just as a garnish or just adding into it. Just mix it well. Ilaneer Payasam or the tender coconut dessert is ready. Hope you enjoy the dish today. It is a fantastic special dessert. I'm sure when you have some guests at home, if you can make it, I'm sure they will get surprised and give you a 5-star for your cooking. That's what I want. I love to see you to try this recipe at home and see some of these images in social media with the hashtag Recipecheckr. Please share and like our video, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do that so that we can get back to you whenever we have the new video uploaded. See you soon.